Welcome back. In today's video, we'll cover how to set up your Shopify store's policy pages, payment methods, and shipping settings. If you haven't yet registered for Shopify, please watch our earlier episode on account setup and settings, and don't forget that we have a bonus ready for you in the description. In the description, you can find a link for a 3-month $1 trial period. But now let's dive in. First, create your policy pages. Scroll down in your Shopify settings to the Policies section and click Create Policies. Shopify provides templates for key policies like Terms of Service, Privacy Policy, and Return Policy. Simply click to insert a template and customize if needed. Once done, hit Save to publish your policies to your store. You can also add custom policies depending on your business needs. Next, let's set up your payment methods. Go to Payments in your store settings, where you'll see several options like Shopify Payments, PayPal, Wise, and Klarna. Select the one you want to use, then follow the prompts to link your account. For PayPal, you'll log in and connect it to Shopify. Same goes for any other method you want to enable. Once your payment method is selected, Shopify will ask for account details. For third-party processors, you'll need to upload any required documents. This process ensures your customers can pay seamlessly with the method you choose. Now, let's make your policy pages visible. Head to the Pages section under your online store settings. You can create or modify policy pages here, and then go to the Menus section to add them to your store's navigation. Simply click Add Menu Item, select your policy, and it will appear in the menu on your store. You can choose where to display your policies, either in the footer, header, or both. Shopify also automatically adds a privacy policy page by default, which you can edit or replace. Once you've chosen your layout and saved the changes, your policy will be easy to find for your customers. And that's it. You've successfully set up your policy pages, payment methods, and shipping settings. Now your Shopify store is ready for business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials for growing your store. Thanks for watching.